So I'll start the recording. We are starting with the chapter of kinematics. Okay. We are starting with the course of JEE main. Okay. Concepts you must be knowing. I'll just brush up more concepts, extra concepts, and then we'll solve lot of questions. Okay. For the whole course, I'll be solving the book called as DC Pandey. It is a very famous book all over India. Most of the aspirants either do HC Verma or DC Pandey. I'll make you all solve both of them. Okay. And extra notes will also be provided. So more than enough practice will be done. Okay. So we'll start. Okay. As the course starts, you will come to know everything rather than explaining everything. You will come to know. ठीक है, start करते हैं. बेटा, you must be knowing the difference between distance and displacement. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You must be knowing what do you mean by kinematics. Achha, there are some extra points which I would like to explain. First point. Always remember direction of motion is the direction of velocity. Direction of motion is the direction of velocity. Not necessarily the direction of acceleration. Whenever I speak about motion, it is direction of velocity and not direction of acceleration. It could be, it could not be. Okay. Example, if I say a body is going towards east, a body is going towards east, मतलब हम उसका डायरेक्शन क्या बनाएंगे? V bar का डायरेक्शन. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acceleration could be in that direction, could be opposite direction, could be up, could be down. That will depend. Okay. So, achha. Now we speak about direction of acceleration. Acceleration. I'll give you cases. Case one is the body. This is the direction of motion. Can I say if acceleration is there in the same direction, what is going to happen? Speed will increase or decrease? Hello?
Increase.
Yeah. Speed will, velocity will increase. As time increases, speed will increase. Okay. Can I say how much is the angle between them? Zero, no? They are parallel to one another.
Yes, sir.
Case two. If I tell you velocity vector is there, acceleration vector is here, what is going to happen? Speed will decrease. How much is theta beta?
180.
180. Can I say they are anti-parallel to each other? Hello?
Yes, sir.
आपको थोड़ा expectation JEE main में है कि I will be going more technical. जैसे I was going in theory more conceptual, यहाँ पर I have to go more technical because the subject demands that way. केस 3, अब ध्यान देना है यहाँ पर, वेलोसिटी इज योर, acceleration is making an angle theta. Is theta obtuse or acute?
Acute.
Okay. Always remember, whenever theta is acute, speed or velocity will increase. Sir, why do you say like that? Split A into two parts. Split A into two parts. Can anyone tell me what will be the components of A in the directions? This component will become what? A cos theta.
Yes, sir.
And this
A sin
component is
theta.
what? A sin theta. Which component is in the direction of velocity? A cos
A
theta.
cos theta.
Can I say A cos theta causes the speed to increase? A sin theta is going to change the direction. उसका कोई velocity से लेना देना नहीं है. This will change the
Direction.
of the body. But हमको तो speed बढ़ना या घटने का मतलब है ना, हमको direction change से अभी मतलब नहीं है. So can I say acceleration अगर same direction में हुआ तो speed बढ़ेगा. अच्छा, now last case, case 4. कुछ भी डाउट रहेगा तो you can ask me. Velocity is here, acceleration is this way. थीटा क्या है?
Obtuse.
थीटा इज ऑब्ट्यूज. ए को तोड़ो, ए को दो पार्ट में तोड़ो. ए का ये कंपोनेंट कौन सा हो जाएगा? ए साइन थीटा.
A sin theta.
यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
गेटिंग इट? वन सेक. एक मिनट, हम फिर से करते हैं. डीलिंग विद केस 4. केस क्या कह रहा था मैं? केस 4 में वेलोसिटी इधर है, एक्सेलरेशन वेक्टर इज हियर. गेटिंग इट? हेलो? अच्छा, दिस एंगल इज व्हाट?
Theta.
थीटा. थीटा इज
Obtuse.
obtuse. ओके. तो एक मिनट, जस्ट वेट. वन सेकंड. चलो, break it into two parts. Can I say this component will become what? A cos theta. Hello? Yes or no? See na, whoever makes the theta is what, beta? Cos theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And it will be in the same direction. But can I say theta is obtuse? Theta is obtuse. So if
Obtuse.
theta is obtuse, cos theta will become what, sir?
Cos theta.
Cos theta is going to become negative. हेलो, मैथ्स में आपको पढ़ाया रहेगा ना, cos of a number greater than 90 is always coming negative. All silver teacups. हेलो, this component is going to come negative because theta is obtuse. Can anyone tell me what is cos of 120?
Minus half.
Minus
हाँ,
half.
minus half. तो ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर किस में आ गया? माइनस में आ गया. हेलो, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? if the answer comes in minus means what? Okay, rather than increasing the velocity, it is
Decreasing.
velocity. So a cos theta वही direction में है, but वो direction actually negative है. Negative का मतलब क्या होता है? It is not an acceleration, but it is a retardation. तो ये speed को बढ़ाने के बजाय घटाएगा. I hope you all have understood this thing. Hello.
Yes.
अच्छा, एक केस है, केस 5. If I tell you velocity इधर है, acceleration ऐसे है, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? इसका ये component इधर
Velocity
बढ़ा.
will stay constant.
Yeah. Why? Because इसका component इधर कितना हो जाएगा?
0.
A cos 90. And how much is cos 90? 0. That means velocity is going to remain constant. It will not change. Yes or no? So whenever theta between velocity vector and acceleration vector is 90, the speed does not change. It will remain constant. What will happen? Obviously, there will be a change in direction happening. The same thing happens in circular motion, na? Where the direction of acceleration is centripetal acceleration along the radius towards the center. Hello. So we need to apply each and everything, whatever we have learned. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Any doubts in this case? I'll start with the introductory problems. Okay. It is mentioned in DC Pandey, page number 129. Page 129. They are called as introductory exercise 6.1. Okay. So I'll be solving each and every question of introductory exercise 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 continued, and some homework will also be given to you all. सबसे पहला question पढ़ते हैं. A lift is descending. What do you mean by descending? Hello. Descending means what?
Going down.
Coming down. So where is the direction of motion? Down. So where will be the direction of velocity? Down.
Down.
With increasing speed. Increasing speed मतलब speed बढ़ रहा है. So where will be the direction of acceleration?
Downwards only.
Downwards only, or it could be acute also. Hello. It could be acute angle also, but generally if the lift is going down with the increasing speed, we'll take acceleration to be this way only. बराबर है क्या? Okay. What are the directions of velocity and acceleration in the given statement? Yes. Can I say angle between A bar and V bar is 0? Hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Achha, if I tell you that a lift is descending down, with constant velocity. The lift is descending down, but the velocity तो इधर है, but this velocity is constant. So what about acceleration?
0.
Acceleration is 0. बराबर क्या? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, if I tell you the lift is ascending up with decreasing velocity. A lift is ascending up with decreasing velocity. Can anyone tell me where is the direction of acceleration?
Downwards.
Downwards.
Downwards or obtuse.
Optic.
So,
Yes.
so for the velocity constant and acceleration 0, can the acceleration be perpendicular to the velocity?
Yeah, but we are talking about the lift, na beta. If it would be acceleration is perpendicular to the velocity, then the lift has to go in which motion?
Downwards.
No, it has to go in circular
Circular
motion.
motion.
Sorry, circular.
The lift, we know it is not going, it is not a roller coaster or something like that, right? It is either going up or down. So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
we have considered acceleration to be parallel or anti-parallel or zero.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these are all the cases which we will be doing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta, tell me.
So in all these cases, are we taking into consideration gravity as well? Because in the first case where velocity is constant, we
Gravity
can even
also
say
gravity is also taken, but this acceleration is due to the motor.
okay. So because in the first case, if velocity is constant while it's going down, so we
Yeah.
can say it's coming down due to gravity, and
No,
yet if
no, no,
velocity
no,
is
no,
constant, then
no, no.
acceleration will be on the other
Listen.
side.
It is due to the tension in the wire. It is not due to the gravity. It is not a free falling body. Beta, what is your name? Good question. It is there. Yeah.
Manav.
Manav, beta, it is not due to gravity. If it would be due to gravity, then you would fall down with an acceleration of 10 meter per second square. Okay. That
Yeah.
means somebody has cut the rope from here. Understand?
Right. Yeah.
But we are coming with constant velocity, which is happening due to the motor, not due to the gravitational force. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, we'll discuss that thing, but in laws of motion, dynamics, we are doing kinematics. You know the meaning of kinematics. We'll not be taking into consideration the forces. We'll be only talking about the motion. Correct, na, beta?
Yeah. Yes.
Everything will be applied over here. Whatever we have learned, we'll just see. Chalo,
Yeah.
question number 2. Velocity and acceleration vector are given. Velocity vector कितना दिया हुआ है? 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 2k cap. Acceleration vector is given as 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap meter per second square. So they have given you acceleration vector and velocity vector. Okay. What are the values of dot product of VNA? सबको dot product निकालने तो आता ही है. So I want to do V bar dot A bar. That is 3i minus 4j plus 2k. Acha, are some people new to this today's lecture? Matlab, is it your first lecture? So if it is your first lecture, beta, you will understand a little, huh? Because this is the filter of all the chapters which we have done till now. Okay, you need to sit for the lecture so that you can get a little understanding, but you cannot expect that आपको सब समझ में आएगा. Okay, because ये course जो है वो पहले से ही चलता आ रहा है. आपको सब videos पहले देखना पड़ेगा, and then only you will be able to understand this thing. Okay, no problem, keep on attending. थोड़ा तो कुछ समझ आएगा. Acceleration is 2i plus j minus 2k. Come on beta. Purav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
चलो इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालो. डॉट प्रोडक्ट में क्या करता है? I with I, j with j, k with k. Come on fast.
So it's I into it's 6i cap
No,
minus
I cap नहीं आएगा ना बेटा. I dot I is 1.
sorry yeah
It will be 3 into 2.
yeah into 3 into 2 plus minus 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2.
2 into minus 2. Very good. कितना हो गया आंसर? 6 minus 4 minus 4. Getting it? 6 minus 8 will become what?
-2.
Minus 2. अच्छा, इसका यूनिट क्या रहेगा? इसका यूनिट क्या होता है वेलोसिटी का? मीटर पर सेकंड. मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. So it will become meter square per second cube. They have not asked you. I'm just telling you how to do. Yes or no, sir? Hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
the dot product at that given instant of time is minus 2 meter square per second cube. I with I, j with j, k with k. I with I, j with j, k with k. Okay. Okay. अभी इधर ध्यान देना बेटा. Pay attention to me. V bar dot A bar कितना आया आपको? -2 आया. Yes or no? Hello. Is the answer
Yes, sir.
negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. Acha, you have done in scalars, vectors, mathematical tools. What is a bar dot b bar?
AB cos.
AB cos theta. And if this answer comes negative to you, that means actually cos theta is negative. AB can never be negative. Na? AB are magnitudes of the vectors. So if this answer is negative, cos theta has to be negative. If cos theta is negative, theta is acute or obtuse?
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
Same concept which we have done it. Theta is obtuse angle. Okay. तो यहाँ पर भी answer is coming negative, means the angle between, yes sir, V bar and A bar is what?
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब कुछ समय बाद speed will increase or decrease,
Decrease.
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 which we have done it right now. The whole concept of that thing we understand this, that obtuse angle का मतलब ये है कि okay, speed is decreasing with respect to time. Getting it? अच्छा, C point क्या कह रहा है? At the given instant, whether the speed of the particle is increasing, decreasing, or constant. We have done this. Speed is what, sir? Decreasing. Why? Because what is the reason? Theta is
Obtuse.
obtuse. I hope, okay, those who have attended everything, they are understanding each and every word. Yes or no, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is question number 2, which is done. Now we come to some more questions. This is introductory exercise 6.2. Introductory. You'll find lot of introductory exercises before starting with the actual questions. Because this introductory exercises in DC Pandey will boost your concepts, will refresh your concepts. And then after, I think 3 to 4 lectures, I'll be starting with the main sums which come in the JEE main. Okay, there are 2 levels inside, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is for JEE main and level 2 is for JEE advanced. Okay, so as I finish one chapter, I'll be starting with the JEE advanced batch also. Okay, maybe after, I think, 1 month. Question number 3. Velocity and acceleration are given by 2i cap minus 4j cap. अच्छा, कोई मुझे बता सकता है velocity vector 2i cap minus 4j cap मतलब क्या? We know that 2i cap कैसे बनाएंगे? How will you make 2i cap? Hello?
2 in the x direction.
So 2i cap. Correct?
Yes, sir.
और दूसरा कौन है इसके पास? Minus 4j cap. Minus 4j cap कैसे बनाएंगे?
Downwards.
4 and negative y axis.
Downward.
This is 4j cap. Okay. Can I say resultant of this will give you what? Give you what?
2i
The
cap
result.
minus
the
4j cap.
Yeah, resultant velocity vector इधर किधर आएगा ना? Hello. Which law?
Parallelogram law.
This is the V resultant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So ऐसे कुछ body ऐसे चल रहा है. This is the direction of what, sir? Motion. बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
But रुक जाओ. Acceleration का direction कैसे है? So suppose if I make direction of acceleration. कैसे है बताओ मुझे? Minus 2i cap मतलब किधर?
On the left side.
On the left hand side. ऐसे. This is 2 I cap plus 4j cap मतलब कैसे?
Upwards.
What direction?
Upward
North.
direction. Can I say इन दोनों का रिजल्टेंट कौन देगा? क्या देगा?
Diagonal.
किसका डायरेक्शन?
Minus 2 I cap
No,
plus
that is
4j
okay.
cap.
What quantity is this, beta?
Acceleration.
अच्छा, if you use your brains, can I say ये लाइन अगर हम पकड़ते हैं parallel to this line, can I say body का direction of motion ऐसे है? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
direction of acceleration
sir.
कैसे है?
On the opposite
Opposite.
direction.
Opposite direction.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
What? अच्छा, question शुरू यहाँ से होता है अभी. What type of motion is this? Is it one dimensional motion, 2-dimensional motion or 3-dimensional motion?
One dimensional.
One dimensional.
One dimensional only ना, it is going along a straight line. One dimensional motion का मतलब क्या होता है? Going along a straight line. Only which axis is changing? Only one axis is changing. Suppose इसको आपने आपका axis पकड़ लिया. Yes or no? इस direction को आपने एक axis पकड़ लिया, तो the body is moving only along one axis ना. This type of motion is which motion, beta? One dimensional motion. अच्छा, is it one dimensional motion with increasing speed or decreasing speed?
Decreasing speed.
Yes. Increasing, decreasing?
Decreasing speed.
Decreasing speed. It is one dimensional motion with decreasing speed. किसको कुछ डाउट है? Anyone?
So,
हाँ बेटा.
so for this one, can we just take, for velocity, can we take -2 common, and then you'll get -2 I cap plus 4j cap, so then we can automatically say it's reverse of acceleration.
Yeah, you can just look also and do it ना. If you look at the question also, आपको देखो ना, ये common normal लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. If you do look at both of them, just compare. You can say that acceleration is opposite to the direction of velocity, ना बेटा. Hello, you are correct. What you take common and what you not take common, but if you look, you will come to know that velocity and acceleration are opposite to each other. Because यहाँ पे 2 I cap है, वहाँ पे -2 I cap है, यहाँ पे -4 है, वहाँ पे +4 है. पूरा,
Yes, sir.
so you know that they are opposite to each other, and since they are opposite to each other, it will become one-dimensional decreasing velocity only.
So
Correct?
we don't need to show working now for these type
No,
of
no,
questions.
no, 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 no. Which type of motion it is? Finished. Options will be 1D, 2D, 3D, none of the above. Options will be 1D, 2D, 3D, none of the above. I have not given you options over here because this is just basic subjective questions. So it will make you think. Options will come in level 1. Hello? Yes
Okay,
or no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Does anyone have any doubt over here? Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलो अभी इधर चलो. Velocity and acceleration of the particle are given. Velocity is 2 I cap. मतलब क्या? 2 I cap means what? Hello?
2 meters per second in x direction.
This is the velocity vector. Where is the acceleration? Yes, sir. Acceleration कैसे है? ऐसे है 4t I cap. 4t I cap. I'll make it in the same direction. Acceleration vector is 4t I cap here. And t square j cap. This is acceleration vector. Velocity vector. Can anyone tell me, is the acceleration constant or changing?
Increasing.
Did anyone understand? देखो क्या हो रहा है, if acceleration का vector का formula क्या है, 4t I cap plus t square j cap. Put t as 1 second. Put t as 1 second inside. What will be acceleration? 4 I cap plus j cap. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If I put 2 seconds, what is going to happen?
8 I
Yeah.
cap plus 2 J cap.
Plus
4G.
4j.
4G.
At t is equal to 3 seconds.
Nine J cap.
Means acceleration is uniform or non-uniform? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means this motion is a non-uniform accelerated motion. Yes or no, sir? Hello? Is variable. Variable matlab what, sir?
Changing.
Not constant. It is changing. Yes, it is variable. तो acceleration constant नहीं है. Correct है? आपको समझ में आ गया? And we cannot predict the motion over here whether it is 1D, 2D, 3D क्या होगा? 2D होगा generally because I and J है. But okay, कौन से path में, कौन से trajectory में जाएगा? It is difficult to predict over here. अच्छा, can you tell me what are the kinematical equations? First.
B is U plus
B is
80.
equal to U plus 80.
Hmm.
U square is
is equal to
equal
UT
to
plus
S equal
half
UT
UT
plus
square.
half AT square. V square
V
equal to
square is
U
equal to
square.
U square plus
Square
2A.
plus 2AS.
Can I use these equations
No, sir.
in these two?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why no?
A is not
Because
constant, sir.
These equations can only be used. And what is constant? What? A is constant. But over here A is not constant. We can't use kinematical equations. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा फिर? If A is not constant, kinematical equation तो हम use नहीं कर सकते. तो which tool I have to use? We have to use calculus. Okay, calculus means what? Derivatives and what, sir? पढ़ा है क्या आपने? Derivatives and
integration.
integration, which I'll teach you. Your maths teacher will also teach you, but I'll also be doing derivatives and integration in the third lecture to make the base, because we need to do the chapter, right? So some basic integration and derivatives I'll only be taking as a special lecture. Hello? Okay, and you will understand how to do that thing. Clear hai? Has anyone any doubt over here?
No, sir.
हेलो, ओके, आगे बढ़ेंगे. चलो, आप मुझे फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन बताओ. इन द अबव क्वेश्चन कैन वी यूज v is u plus 80? हेलो, अभी पढ़ाया है ना मैंने. नो, यू कांट
No,
यूज.
sir. We can't.
ओके,
No, sir.
क्या यूज करना है? कैलकुलस. ओके, so we need to use calculus when acceleration is of function of time. ये समझा आपको? What is function of time? मतलब it changes with respect to time.
Time.
Okay, kinematical equations कब use कर सकते हैं? जब acceleration constant रहे. And if you feel this is the whole filter of your 2 months, what we have done. Okay.
So,
Yeah, beta.
so like when we have acceleration at an angle to the velocity, so the a sine theta component is used for changing in direction, right?
Not necessary. It depends on the angle. It depends on the angle. See, I'll tell you. If this is the body, this is A. Yes or no?
Yes,
Purab,
sir.
this is the angle. Now tell me, which is cos theta, which is sine theta?
So the upper one is cos theta,
And this will become,
sine theta.
now you tell me what happened. So everything depends on the
Angle.
angle what you take. ठीक है ना?
So, but if A is at an angle, then can we consider the motion to be 2D?
Yeah, it is 2D only. No? It is 2D only. It is 2D only, yes. Okay, but they have to be in the same plane. They have to be in the
Same plane.
same plane. Okay, ठीक है. आगे बढ़ता है. अच्छा, इसको करने से पहले we'll just revise some basic formulas. Distance क्या होता है? चलो fast है, you all must be knowing everything. What is distance? The
Total length of the path traveled.
actual path traveled. Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Displacement.
Shortest path.
Shortest path.
Now, for understanding displacement, just pay attention over here. Suppose there are two axes, y and this is x. There are two positions, A and B. Let his position vector with respect to origin be RA bar. Let his position vector with respect to B will RB bar. Yes or no? Suppose if I go from A to B this way, can I say this is my actual path traveled? Hello? So this path, which is zigzag path, is the actual path. इसको बोलेंगे distance. But can anyone tell me what will be displacement from A to B?
The straight line from A
Straight
to
line.
B.
This one. इसको बोलेंगे displacement vector. Okay, if you look at triangle, which triangle? OAB. What bar plus what bar is what bar by triangle law? Come on, fast man.
RA bar plus S bar is RB bar.
ये सब किया हुआ है. So what will be S bar equal to?
RB bar minus RA bar.
RA bar.
Always remember displacement vector is always the final vector minus the initial vector. Final vector, final आपको कहाँ जाना है? B पर. Initial आप कहाँ पर हो? A पर. So it will be RB bar minus RA bar or R final bar minus R. Yes sir. What? Initial bar.
Initial bar.
Are you all understanding बेटा? Okay, यहाँ पर आपको सब कुछ आना चाहिए. मतलब there is no mercy condition over here. Whatever you want to polish your concepts, you have to do it in your theory lectures. यहाँ पर ज्यादातर टेक्निकल बातें होगी. ओके, अच्छा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट का फॉर्मूला क्या आ गया? डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर का फॉर्मूला विल बिकम आर फाइनल बार माइनस आर इनिशियल बार.
Initial bar.
अच्छा, कभी भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड डिस्टेंस में कौन बड़ा होता है?
Distance.
Always remember that displacement is always less than equal to distance. Yes or no? Equal भी हो सकता है. When are they equal?
हाँ.
When they are going in one
When-
dimensional motion.
When they are going in straight
One
line.
dimensional in a straight line. Yes, it's done in the theory. So displacement will always be lesser than equal to distance. और आगे बढ़ता है. Can anyone tell me what are the formula for average speed?
Total
Distance
distance
traveled
upon
upon total time taken.
Scalar quantity. Direction consideration में नहीं लेना है. Can anyone tell me the formula for average velocity?
total displacement upon total time.
Displacement
Upon total
upon
time.
total time. Is this which quantity? Vector quantity. Hello. अच्छा, इसको क्या मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ? एवरेज वेलोसिटी टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टोटल टाइम. बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमको क्या मिला? आर फाइनल बार माइनस आर इनिशियल बार बाई टी. बट टेक्निकली यू विल एक्सप्रेस इट दिस वे ना. हेलो हेलो, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये सब चीज का बेसिक ध्यान रखो. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज गोना हेल्प यू अ लॉट. अच्छा, इसके बाद में व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन? कौन फर्स्ट? आपको आता है?
Final velocity minus initial velocity upon time.
चेंज इन वेलोसिटी
Change in velocity upon total time.
time taken. So average acceleration will be written as v final bar minus v initial bar upon delta t. This was done in the all is done in the theory videos. हाँ, तो कोई चीज नई नहीं है आपके लिए. It is just the same thing. Hello, sir, why didn't you discuss instantaneous? That I'll discuss next time. इसमें एक definition instantaneous भी आएगा ना. Instantaneous velocity, instantaneous acceleration. Remember ना, limit delta t tends to 0. वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम डिस्कस करेंगे बिकॉज आई नीड टू टीच यू डेरिवेटिव्स एंड इंटीग्रेशन फॉर दैट. तो उसका पूरा डिस्कशन आई विल डू इट नेक्स्ट संडे. बिफोर दैट आई विल गिव यू वन लेक्चर टू वॉच. अच्छा, हैव यू ऑल वॉच द प्री लेक्चर व्हिच आई सेंड लास्ट संडे फॉर जेई?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those who have not seen, please see this. It is just an extended version of today's lecture. Okay, जो चीज मैंने आज सिखाया है वही चीज वहां पर और अच्छे वाले सम्स है. ओके, या तो यहाँ पर है या तो वहां पर है. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी द लेक्चर्स. शुरू करते हैं. दिस इज इंट्रोडक्टरी एक्सरसाइज 6.3, पेज नंबर 134. डीसी पांडे. चलो शुरू करेंगे. एवरेज स्पीड is always, what is the word? Always equal to magnitude of average velocity. Acha, is the statement true or false? What is the average speed ka formula? Hey, come on, man.
Total distance upon total time.
Total distance on total time. And what is the average velocity ka formula?
Total displacement upon total
by
time.
total time.
By looking at these formulas, can you tell me, is average speed and average velocity always equal?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? अभी एक पॉइंट मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. सिंस डिस्टेंस is greater than equal to displacement. बराबर है क्या? ओके इधर से ही मैं क्या बना सकता हूँ? एवरेज स्पीड, डिस्टेंस क्या बनाता है? एवरेज स्पीड बनाता है ना. एवरेज स्पीड will be greater than equal to average velocity in that given time. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Because distance से ही तो average speed आती है and displacement से average velocity आती है. तो अगर distance is greater than equal to displacement, average speed can be greater than equal to average velocity. It could be that they are equal, but it is always is a wrong word. यहाँ पर word क्या दिया है उसने? Always. That is wrong. What could be? अगर यहाँ पर होता it may be, ऐसे होता तो may. Okay,
True.
तो हो सकता. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But the statement over here is a big what, sir?
False.
It is not always. It may be. ऐसे हो सकता है. ये कब होगा? Maybe कब होगा? When they are traveling in a straight line in
Straight
one
line.
direction. But always it is not the same. बेटा समझ में आ रहा है ना आप लोग को? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is my pace proper? Because यार समझ नहीं आता है इंटरनेट पे कि कैसे है. Is my pace proper? I should go a little slow. Please tell me.
So it's
अगर
proper.
it's
It's
proper.
proper, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please interact ना इसमें. मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगा कि आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं. थियरी में I can understand. But यहाँ पर everything is very technical. आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पर आते हैं. इंट्रोडक्टरी एक्सरसाइज का. चलो मुझे आप बताओ. When a particle moves with a constant velocity. Constant velocity का मतलब क्या है? Yes sir. What do you mean by constant velocity?
Zero acceleration.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes, very good. Correct है. Constant velocity is which quantity? Vector. मतलब it will have constant velocity means what? Constant magnitude and
Constant direction.
constant direction. Then only we can say it is going with constant velocity, na bacha? Hello. Suppose I can say this is the line path and a body is going with constant velocity of 10 meter per second. Example लेते हैं ना. Consider like this. 10 meter per second से यही रास्ते पर वो चलता आ रहा है 10 10 10 means constant velocity मतलब क्या? At every instant the speed will become what? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्शन भी एक है, मैग्नीट्यूड भी एक है. ऐसा नहीं है डायरेक्शन बदल रहा है. लाइक सर्कुलर मोशन. सर्कुलर मोशन में कांस्टेंट स्पीड होती है, कांस्टेंट डायरेक्शन नहीं होता है. हेलो. ओके ठीक है. अब आगे पढ़ता है स्टेटमेंट को. इट्स एवरेज वेलोसिटी एंड इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी एट ऑल पॉइंट्स इज इक्वल. कैन यू कैलकुलेट एवरेज ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स? 10 10 10 10 का एवरेज कितना रहेगा?
10.
भाई अगर सब में 10 है तो एवरेज भी कितना है? 10. कैन आई से एवरेज वेलोसिटी कितना है इसका? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. अच्छा, व्हाट इज इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी? एट अ गिवन इंस्टेंट व्हाट इज द वेलोसिटी?
Given instant. At a given instant, it is also 10 because it's constant.
10.
कोई भी इंस्टेंट पर आप ले लो, ए पर या बी पर या सी पर या डी पर, आप कोई भी इंस्टेंट पर देखो, it is always going to remain 10. That means in this case the average velocity and the instantaneous velocity are always what, sir? Equal. So is the statement true or false?
Sir, we have to
True.
find like we have to see the speed also, instantaneous and its speed.
Speed भी same है. Just what is the value of speed? What is the
Total
speed?
distance upon total.
No, speed is also 10.
Okay.
Speed will be the magnitude of this thing, ना बेटा? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Speed भी 10 है, velocity भी 10 है, एक ही direction है. So can I say direction is also
Constant.
constant? Okay. Magnitude of speed is also constant. Hence, instantaneous value, average value, speed value is also going to remain the same. I'll give you an example. Suppose आपका result आता है और आपको सब marks maths में भी आपको 90 मिलेगा. Okay. Social science में भी आपको 90 मिला. Okay. Physics में भी 90, chemistry में भी 90, bio में भी 90, English में भी 90. ठीक है? Hello. So if I tell you what is the average percentage?
90.
90.
90. What is your instantaneous value of any subject?
90.
90. अब आपको समझ आया कि अगर हर सब्जेक्ट में आपको 90 है तो उसका एवरेज भी 90 है और इंस्टेंटेनियस सब्जेक्ट में भी 90 है. So same concept is happening here also ना. हेलो. यहाँ पर एक और एक चीज है called as direction and direction is also same. I hope you all are understanding. हैं? ठीक है. आगे. Question number 8. This is important, na? Pay attention. Brain teasing question. A stone is released from an elevator. Whenever the word released comes, na, इसका मतलब initial speed is 0. Release मतलब I'm not throwing it, huh? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You're dropping it.
Dropping.
Dropping it. Releasing means dropping. Don't not throw, huh? ये word बहुत important है. Throwing मतलब आप initial speed उसको दे रहे हो. Release मतलब जैसे हालत है वैसे ही हमने रहने दिया. We are just dropping it. We just releasing it from an elevator going up with an acceleration of. So there is an open elevator. This elevator is going up with कितना acceleration? कितना? 3/2. Getting it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And a man from here there's a man over here who just releases this ball, a stone, whatever. So he is releasing the stone from here. He is not throwing it. अच्छा. एक concept मैं दे चुका है पहले. Whenever a body comes out of a system, it acquires. Do you know it? The
velocity of the system.
velocity of the system, but not it. What's our acceleration?
Acceleration.
It will acquire the speed or the velocity of the system, but not its acceleration. So when this stone is dropped from here, when the stone is dropped, suppose if I drop it from here, okay, this guy drops the stone. Drops the stone. क्या होगा stone के साथ? Suppose at this instant the speed of the elevator was u. Elevator ऊपर जा रहा था ना, तो ऊपर जा रहा है मतलब किधर, एयर के अंदर, it has some speed, right? Hello? हेलो
Yes, sir.
और I'll give you another ठीक है चलो तो क्या होगा can anyone answer me what will be the speed of the stone
U.
where which direction में you
Upward.
upward correct है can
Yes,
anyone
sir.
tell me what will be the acceleration of the stone will it acquire the acceleration of the lift
No. No, sir.
then in whose acceleration is going to come now this guy
Gravity.
Gravity.
gravity because it is a freely falling body so he will be acted by an acceleration gravity is always downward which will be equal to what g hello can anyone tell me what will be the trajectory what will be the path followed how will be the path followed of the stone will directly come down the stone will what will happen to the stone
It'll go up and then it'll come down.
it will go up because the motion is up yeah, this is the direction of what motion is up what will happen till where it will keep on going up
Till velocity becomes 0.
zero who is making his velocity zero
Gravity.
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 it will make its velocity zero it will stop for a moment and then it will return back hello and then it will reach the what sir ground did you understand the trajectory followed any doubts please tell me got it
Yes, sir.
this line is very important beta whenever a body comes out of the system it acquires the speed or the velocity of the system but not its acceleration okay those who have done brain teaser sums with me in that the balloon sum was there remember screwdriver was left if you remember I don't know
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
same question was based on this concept right if you all have done not done so I'll teach you don't worry it is a IIT sum only okay but this is the basic concept question number 9
So,
you can't हाँ बेटा
so in the previous question, the acceleration will be 0, right? Just after the release.
इसका acceleration
So they've asked what is the acceleration of the stone just after the release.
yes you tell me
So it'll be negative g, right?
yeah it will be minus g it will be 9.8 downwards
Okay, sir.
acceleration just after the release this is just after the release only na beta yes or no
Yes, sir.
where is the speed directed upward where is the acceleration directed downward and what is the value of g 9.8 10 whatever you want to take we are just filling up all the concepts so that we can do our sums which will come after 3-4 lectures इसके concepts जानना बहुत important है वरना directly you cannot jump with the sums question number 9 a clock hand is 2 centimeter long can I say this is the clock 2 centimeter long is the hand find the average speed and the modulus of average velocity at the tip of 15 seconds what do you mean by 15 seconds बच्चा 15 seconds
90
मतलब
degrees.
पहले इधर था पहले the pointer was here right 15 seconds मतलब क्या
90.
इधर आ गया hello how much is the length of the hand can I take this as r is given as how much in the question
2 centimeter.
can I call this point as a And can I call this point as B? Hello? अच्छा ये एंगल कितना है
90 degree,
और टाइम कितना लगा यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने के लिए
15 seconds.
ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है. ओके सबसे पहले फाइंड करना है एवरेज स्पीड. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर एवरेज स्पीड?
Total distance upon total time.
टोटल डिस्टेंस.
Distance covered is 3.14 centimeter. 2 pi by r upon
बेटा
4.
बेटा डिस्टेंस ये है ना. Can I say it is 1/4 of the circumference?
Yes, sir. So I told that only.
Yeah. 1/4 of 2 pi r. Hello? And the time taken is what, bacha? T. So it will become pi r by 2t. Hello, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pi, as you can keep 3.14 r kitna hai 2 centimeter, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. You know conversions, right? Beta centimeter to meter is 10 raised to minus 2 meter, right? Upon 2 into t, 15. 2 cancel. So average speed is going to become it will be 3.14 by 15 meter per second into 10 is to minus 2. So 10 is to minus 2 को सेंटीमीटर लिख लेंगे. हेलो चलेगा ना? 10 is to minus 2 को फिर से सेंटीमीटर बना दिया, चलेगा? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that will depend on what answers are given. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Can anyone tell me what is average velocity का formula?
Total displacement upon total time.
Displacement upon total time. Can anyone tell me what is the displacement from here to here? Straight line joining. So if this is r, this is r. By Pythagoras theorem, this has to be root 2r.
Yes, sir.
Beta, this is to 2 pi r by 4, na? But total displacement is root 2r by time is t. That will be root 2. R is 2 into, इसको centimeter में ही रहने दो, and t is 15. So it will become 2 root 2 by 15 centimeter per second. Are you all getting it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
By mathematics you all are well aware of. You need not take tension about that thing. Answer तो आपको आ ही जाएगा. Okay, physics apply करने थोड़ा आपको आना चाहिए बस, और कुछ नहीं. So this is your average velocity. So average आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे average speed and average velocity का value different है. They are not the same. They are not the same. अच्छा, इसका पॉइंट नंबर ए क्या कह रहा है? ये तो ठीक है, ये तो हमने ये सब वैल्यूज फाइंड कर लिए. एवरेज स्पीड हमने फाइंड कर लिया, एवरेज वेलोसिटी का मॉड्यूलस हमने फाइंड कर दिया. मॉड्यूलस मींस वैल्यू फाइंड कर लिया. नाउ ए पॉइंट. कैन एनीवन रिप्लाई टू दिस ए क्वेश्चन? इज इट पॉसिबल टू बी एक्सेलरेटिंग if you are traveling with constant speed? A very important conceptual
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible
Yes,
to
sir.
be accelerating if you are traveling with a constant speed? Yes sir. जिसने कहा please example दो.
Circular
motion.
path.
Circular
Change
motion.
in direction.
Circular motion.
Uniform
Which
circular motion.
Yes. UCM ना. भाई स्पीड तो कांस्टेंट है. Speed is constant. But is it accelerating? Yes. Which acceleration are you talking about?
Centripetal acceleration.
सेंट्रीपिटल एक्सेलरेशन ना. Did you understand the reason of doing theory chapters before starting with the JEE? बेटा आपको कुछ आता ही नहीं था. If you I would have started with this thing. Are you understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये सब चीज का बेस बनाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. If I directly start now, you will keep on saying yes sir, मगर आपको कुछ समझेगा नहीं. But right now, I hope that each and every word you all are understanding. Okay. So there is some methodology by which we do it. Okay. And you will come to know later on कि कैसे आपके skills बहुत polish हो जाएंगे and okay, you will become master of that thing. तो ये आपको समझ गया रहेगा. This is called as what? What sir?
UCM.
UCM. B point पर आता है. Is it possible to move on a curve path with zero acceleration? चलो. Is it possible to move on a
No,
curve
sir.
path? भाई
No,
curve
sir.
path
No.
जब भी होगा तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी कंटिन्यूअसली चेंज हो रहा है ना. हेलो.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
तो वेलोसिटी को चेंज
Yes.
करने वाला तो कोई होना चाहिए. क्या चेंज हो रहा है वेलोसिटी का?
Direction.
डायरेक्शन से
Direction.
चाहे स्पीड कांस्टेंट रहे उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बट डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेलोसिटी इज चेंजिंग. एंड डायरेक्शन चेंज करने के लिए कौन चाहिए हमको? एक्सेलरेशन तो चाहिए ही ना.
Acceleration.
Is required. So can I say, is it possible to move on a curvilinear path with zero acceleration? होंगे ये. हेलो. और थोड़ा देखो और थोड़ा पॉलिश करते हैं इसको. Suppose if I tell you there is a curvilinear path. Velocity is this way. This is also 10. 10. 10. 10. You'll tell me, sir, speed तो same है. But direction of velocity change हुआ ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Velocity is which quantity?
Vector.
Vector. It will have two things.
Magnitude and direction.
इस केस में कौन चीज चेंज हो रही है?
Direction.
Direction.
So direction change हुआ मतलब velocity change हुआ. And change in velocity is called as what?
Acceleration.
With respect to time is called as? Requires what? Acceleration. Without that is not possible only. ये पॉइंट था हमारा ये वाला जीरो एक्सेलरेशन. अच्छा दूसरा पॉइंट क्या बोल रहा है? कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Constant. So this was all about which acceleration? Zero acceleration. Yes or no, sir? Zero acceleration हमने कहा हो नहीं सकता है. Not possible. Hello? Yes or no?
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
constant acceleration का example?
UCM.
UCM.
UCM, very good. UCM में acceleration constant रहता है. कौन कहा? किसने कहा? Hello? What is the name of the student बेटा? I want to know the name of the student. किसने कहा ये? करेक्ट है. आप मुझे बताइए, नाम बताइए. ओके ठीक है. चलो इधर देखो. You give me an example of what? What sir? अरे बोलो.
UCM.
UCM. UCM में क्या होता है? V बेटा where is the direction of acceleration?
Radially
Radially
inwards.
inwards.
Radially inward.
इधर A होगा, फिर इधर होगा ये, फिर इधर होगा ये, फिर इधर होगा ये. क्या A का डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रहा है? हेलो.
No, sir.
चेंज हो रहा है बेटा, चेंज हो रहा है. देखो
Sir.
Yes, sir.
चेंज
Yes,
हो रहा
yes,
है.
yes, yes.
रेडियली इनवर्ट्स तो है बट हर जगह पे तो इट इज गोइंग ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ ना. पूरब
Yes, sir.
मतलब ये पॉइंट पे इस तरफ है एक्सेलरेशन. देखो जब बी पे आ गया तो ऊपर की तरफ आ गया, फिर इधर आ गया तो ऐसे आ गया. यस और नो पूरव?
Yes, sir.
So is this example of constant acceleration?
No, sir.
इसलिए मैं कह रहा था कि गुड ट्राई, बट ये चीज जेई में आप लोग के साथ में होती है कि आप लोग जो सोचते हैं वैसे नहीं होता है. हेलो, और कोई ट्राई कर सकता है? आपको ये चैप्टर पढ़ाया है मैंने, कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन में.
So projectile motion.
प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन, वेरी गुड. प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में क्या होता है? वेलोसिटी कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग, बट अंडर हुज एक्सेलरेशन इट इज ऑलवेज मूविंग?
Gravity.
Gravitation.
कैन आई से ग्रेविटी का डायरेक्शन वही नीचे है कांस्टेंट वैल्यू के साथ? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
so is constant acceleration possible? Yes, it is possible. In which motion?
Yes, sir.
Projectile motion.
भाई समझ में आ रहा है व्हाट ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर देयर? अब तक हमने सॉल्विंग शुरू नहीं किया है भाई. क्लियर है ना? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
तो पहले वाला कह रहा है जीरो एक्सेलरेशन, दूसरा वाला एक कह रहा है कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन. कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन में यूसीएम नहीं आएगा बिकॉज एक्सेलरेशन इज कंटिन्यूअसली कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. अच्छा, तीसरा वाला आंसर क्या है? व्हाट आर दे टेलिंग यू? तीसरा वाला,
Variable acceleration.
yes, variable acceleration is possible. You will learn in, I'll give it to you. Variable acceleration means non-UCM. Which UCM? And UCM also ना, because यहाँ पर भी तो acceleration vary हो रहा है. हेलो
Yes, sir.
भाई, नॉन यूसीएम में भी एक्सेलरेशन वेरी होता है, यूसीएम में भी. तो इन यूसीएम आल्सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एक्सेलरेशन का क्या चेंज हो रहा है? क्या चेंज हो रहा है?
Direction.
डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पर एक्सेलरेशन इज व्हाट? कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल?
Variable.
बिकॉज बेटा ये वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है ना. वेक्टर क्वांटिटी में अगर मैग्नीट्यूड चेंज हो या डायरेक्शन चेंज हो या दोनों चेंज हो, उसी को चेंज कहलाएंगे. ओके, वी जस्ट डोंट स्पीक अबाउट द मैग्नीट्यूड, वी स्पीक अबाउट द मैग्नीट्यूड आल्सो एंड डायरेक्शन आल्सो. यहाँ पे क्या चेंज हो रहा है? यहाँ पे क्या चेंज हो रहा है? What changes?
Direction.
And when I speak about non-UCM, which will be done in your 12th standard, क्या चेंज होगा इधर?
Velocity.
Magnitude and
Magnitude
direction.
and direction. Can you give me some example of non-UCM? भाई आपको गर्मी लग रही है, आपने फैन चला दिया. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
You are feeling hot. You start your fan, and suppose a cockroach is sitting on the fan. And if you look at that cockroach at the tip, cockroach का speed क्या होता रहेगा? हेलो, बढ़ता रहेगा. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You don't look at the whole fan. The whole fan will come under the category of rotational motion. आपको एक पॉइंट की तरफ देखना है ना सर्कुलर मोशन बनाने के लिए. सपोज एक कॉकरोच बैठा हुआ है इधर, तो कॉकरोच को अगर आपने देखा तो कॉकरोच तो गोल गोल घूम रहा है, बट कॉकरोच का स्पीड कंटिन्यूअसली बढ़ता जा रहा है. यस और नो? इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द फैन. थोड़ी देर बाद तो इट विल बिकम कांस्टेंट, बट जब आपने फैन स्टार्ट किया, वो कॉकरोच का स्पीड बढ़ रहा है. यस और नो एवरीवन?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So these all are things which are very, very important. Introductory exercise 6.3 ka last question, you all will do it for homework. That is the 6th question. This question, you will do it for homework. I have done it before also. आप लोग try करना. Okay. So introductory 6.3. This is question number 6 of that thing, which will be done for homework. ठीक है बेटा? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll be sending you one more video lecture today. to watch for next Sunday. To watch for next Sunday.
Next
ठीक है?
Sunday.
ताकि हम लोग नेक्स्ट संडे का थोड़ा और बेस बना पाए and we can go to next more important concepts. चलो, thank you very much.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.